Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vestige Calcium Tablets, updated. Take 1 tablet daily with food to reduce stomach upset and drink a full glass of water. If you take other supplements or medications, space them 2 hours apart to avoid interaction. Store tablets in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If you miss a dose, take it when you remember unless it is almost time for the next dose. Aim to take your calcium tablet at a consistent time each day to build a routine and improve absorption. Avoid taking it at the same time as iron or certain antibiotics, and keep at least 2 hours between these. If you are on blood pressure or heart medications, ask your clinician about potential interactions. Maintain a balanced diet with vitamin D sources to support calcium uptake and discuss any digestive side effects with your provider. Monitor for common side effects like mild constipation or bloating, and adjust fiber and water intake to help. If you experience severe abdominal pain, muscle weakness, excessive thirst, or signs of an allergic reaction, stop taking the tablet and seek medical care. People with kidney stones or hypercalcemia should consult their healthcare provider before using this supplement. Regular blood tests may be recommended for long-term use to ensure safety and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.